Saving time with Oracle Clips.
In this clip we will look at using Podman to remove container images from our local storage. First, let's see the images downloaded to local storage with the command podman images. We remove the Oracle Linux :7-slim image using its image name with the command podman rmi Oracle Linux :7-slim. Let's verify the images are removed. We now remove the Oracle Linux :9-slim image using its image ID. It can be the full ID or partial ID reading from left to right, as long as it's unique enough to identify it from the other images. Let's verify the images are removed. If an image is used to create or run a container, when we try to remove it, we get an error. Any container with a dependency on the image prevents the image from being removed. The --force option removes all containers that are using an image before removing the image itself. Here we can see the containers created with the Oracle Linux :8-slim image. And now we use the force option to remove the image. We can see from the list of containers remaining that any using this image were removed, regardless of their status either running or stopped. And we see the image is also removed. We can remove all remaining images without dependent containers with the -A option, but we still have some containers dependent on one image. So we can use the -F-A options to force and remove all images in containers. The output shows containers and then images being removed. And looking at our images list, we see all images have been removed, and all containers also. So that's a quick look at some of the Podman options for removing images.
You can see more clips here, and don't forget to subscribe to always get the latest.